I have taught you there used to would has to have to lot of things. So today I am going to teach can, could and able to. Can, could and able to. Can, it shows capacity. What shows that?
Capacity.
Okay, we use strength and we use can. Present tense. Could, it's can actually the second form of could. We use possibility in the past tense also. And present tense also we can use in possibility. And could we use in domestic sense also. Okay? And politeness also we use that. Not highest politeness. Highest politeness we use might. The other form I'll teach you later. Able to. Actually, what happened, friends? Most of the students they make a mistake. What mistake exactly? They understand because able to and can could don't use together. Never use together. It's a murder of English. So don't use together. If you guys use can could, don't use able to. Okay? Don't use able to because able to and can could same meaning. Right? Just try to understand. Most of the students they use it might be possible. Might be possible and might not be possibility. May also possibility, might. So don't use with that possibility. It might be possible, may be possible. No, don't use that. Because may also means it shows possibility and might also that. In the global phenomenon, most people using it that. Maybe possible, might be possible. Maybe use, maybe even might use. Okay, no problem. It's also less higher and more chances, less chances. Could also we can use that. So able to sentence I am able to come. I can come. So both sentences are same sense. I can come. I am able to come. Both are the same meaning. And most of people what they do together they use. Able and can go together. It's a murder of English. Never ever use please. Able to and can go same. Either use able to or can. If you say I can come, okay, that's right. I am able to come. Correct. But together, please never. It's grammatically wrong. Okay? And murder of English. So choose sentence. Can. It's a capacity. Can, it's a capacity, your strength. Please write a sentence here. I can beat him. So, I can beat him. It shows you capacity, your strength to beat him. Right? It shows you strength that you can beat him. You are able to beat him. Right? Or, I can beat him or I am able to beat him. Both are same. Right?
Yes, sir.
I can beat him or I am able to beat him. Both are same.